Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your faucet every 5 minutes. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the faucet website. This faucet website pay you this much dash coin every 5 minutes, 25 time claim per day. Okay, this is very easy. Just if you have faucet pay account, you can claim the faucet. Okay, go to deposit, copy the dash coin wallet address. This is the dash coin wallet address. I copy my dash coin wallet address. Okay, just click copy, or you can copy it. Okay, come here, paste, and just click solve capture. Solve this capture first, or you can solve this capture. Okay, I solve this capture first. This one is 6 3 to 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. It's 3, it's 2, and just click I am human. Okay, solve this little capture and you can claim your reward. Okay, this one is airplane. Just click the airplane. Okay, and it's it. Just click checked and click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay account. If you have faucet pay account, after this much seconds, I can come here. I earned this much. I earned this much dash coin to instantly my faucet pay. After 5 minutes, I come back and I can claim again. Okay, I go to my faucet pay, go to user dash to show you this website pay me 100%. Okay, this website pay me 100%. Thanks for watching guys. This website link are available in description. Goodbye.